Careful management of resources is key to the success of any small business. At RHS, we feel that providing education to our OT and PT colleagues is one of the best long-term investments we can make. When we learn together in a hands-on environment, the dividends in elevated patient care and enhanced collaboration among the team are priceless.
They should not have to walk like this, which is going to cause back pain down the line. Okay, so quality of gait is very important. Do not give up on them. Do not give up on yourself. You can do better than that. You know gait, you know balance. Apply it to your amputee.
Restorative is committed to providing TPTA-approved education on a regular basis. We invite you to let us know if there are particular topics regarding prosthetics and orthotics that you would like to learn more about. You can fill out the form on our website under the Resources tab to comment. Also, be sure to check in on our Facebook page and our website for announcements about our upcoming workshops.